Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening the contact list, because we will begin with blocking the number which we've got currently saved on our contacts, and after that I'll show you another way. So find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it, for example this one. And then scroll down to find block numbers. If you've got the previous app version, you will simply have to tap on the settings icon, and then you will be able to tap on block numbers. In this version, it is transferred right here. So let's tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the contact. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, tapping on unblock numbers. But let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. So after getting back to the full list, we have to tap on the three dots icon, tap on the settings, and here in this general section, we've got blocked numbers, so tap on it. And this is the contact we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option also works. Here we can tap on add number, and we can enter it manually and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the block list. You can also choose this unknown option. Just by tapping on the switcher, you can activate it, and thanks to it, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. And if you wish to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.